The Daily Bdx.
That's how I like my day starting out. No, not. I'm right here stuck in Berlin morning traffic jam, and I'm on the way to the city center. I am shooting today something for the European election, for the Liberal Party, for the FDP, aka Freie Demokraten. And the elections are on Sunday, so go vote. It's very important. It's about the future of Europe. I already voted, and yes, you have still some time left, but today I have an assignment there, as I said, and I will take you through my day. That was very quick though. Unfortunately, I couldn't film anything, but you will see it soon online on Facebook. And I'm still here in the German Parliament. It's the Bundestag, and we're here in the Paul-Löbe-Haus. I really like the architecture in here. It's so bright, so nice. A lot of cool windows and concrete. Yeah, it's crazy nice. By the way, if you're in Berlin and you're searching for a cool shooting location with some urban architecture, check out the area around the Bundestag. Maybe over here. This is actually the Paul-Löbe-Haus from outside, and all the buildings around here, they are cool and you can shoot their cool stuff. I am back in Leipzig and I have an idea what I want to do for my next Instagram post. So I will take you behind the scenes. The idea is I want to take a photo of me holding myself in my arm and the caption is me and my best friend. So you will see now how we produce this cool content piece. At first you need a table, a wooden table and a cool team. So Simon will take the photos. And the key is put the camera on a tripod.
And then take the timer and set the white balance to something neutral. Well, it's raw. We don't care. Automatic. Okay, I need to sit at the exact
same position. Now we're changing. Okay, now we're changing. And now Simon is me and I am Simon.
And I got replaced. I replaced myself.
Friends are the most important thing in life. Now we're going over to the post-production, and here's the post-production master. No, he's not here. Just kidding.
Burn.
And we got a new parcel. Who sends us all the nice packages? Sounds like alcohol inside. Averna! Our friends in Berlin. Okay, so let's see what's inside. The package is by our friends at RPM Berlin, and they always send cool stuff because the stuff is most of the time liquid. What do we have here? A bottle of Averna. That's always good if you like digestives and hard spirits. What else do we have? We have Melita coffee, 100% Arabica beans, nice. And the last one, probably the best. I got a feeling it's Frangelico, so we can refill our office bar. Nice, that's cool. So big up to our friends at RPM, Flo and Jule, for always keeping us drunk and full of caffeine. the most important things in agency life. Big up. So that's the story behind the me, myself and I photo on Instagram. Make sure you tune in tomorrow to another episode of the Daily Bdx. Cheers and have a good night.